Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we are going to design a compression bone plate using design modeler of ANSYS Workbench. The compression bone plate is attached to the bone when it undergoes a fracture. So the compression plate is attached such that the two ends of the bones which have been fractured can be brought together, it can be compressed, and over a period of time the fracture heals. So we will see how it is designed in ANSYS Workbench. We will take up geometry as an option. Since I'm not doing any analysis, I'm not taking up any particular module from here. I'll just go to geometry and double click on it. Next, I'll right click here and go to new design modeler geometry. I'll first choose units as millimeter, XY, look at. Now I'm drawing a rectangular sketch, so I'll go to sketching and I'll first draw a rectangle. The length of it is say 150 mm. This height is say 11 mm. Now I'm taking these dimensions from research paper. You can find these standard designs online. So I've just taken one of them and I'm sketching it. So this is 11 mm. Next, I'll get out of sketching and I'll go to extrude. I'll select the sketch one from here, apply. I'll give the depth as 3.5 mm. This is the thickness of the plate, which is again a standard value, and generate. Now on this face, I will create a new plane. So I'll select this face, new plane from here, and generate. Then I'll go to sketching, make this normal. I'll go to line, and I'll draw a random line over here. Next, I'm going to give dimension from this edge to this line. This dimension will be 5.5 such that it is at the center. Next, I'll go to draw and I'll draw circles. For 150 mm, the number of holes that are to be drawn are 11 of them. Next, I'll go to dimensions and I'll give the diameter of each one of them as 2 mm. Next, I'll give horizontal gap between these circles, that is 13 mm each of them. Okay, so this is showing over constraint means it's not required. So I'll just give these dimensions. They're all 13. So now that all the circles have been created 13 mm from each other, what remains is this distance to be given from here to this point. Since the total length is 150 and this is 130 between the circles, so what remains is just 20 mm. So this will be 10 mm to make it equidistant on all the sides. So we have created all the holes. Now we will go to extrude, choose sketch 2, apply. Instead of add material, I'll choose cut material. You can see the direction is this way. So the material will be cut, generate. When you zoom, you can see here the plate has been created. Now apart from this, we need to give some fillet. So I'll go to blend, fixed radius. I'll give this as 1 mm. So I'll choose this edge. Press Ctrl, choose this edge as well. Choose this edge and this edge and apply and generate. So you can see here 1 mm fillet has been created on all the edges. If you want to create fillet on these edges as well, so just go to blend, fixed radius, again 1 mm, select these edges and apply and generate. So you can see here there is some fillet created on these edges as well. So suppose 1 mm is more, so just give it to 0.5 mm and generate. So this becomes a little less curved. Again I'll go to blend, fixed radius. So if I want to give on these edges as well, so apply and generate. So you can see these are also now given fillets. Now if I want to use this design and I can see these dimensions, what you can do is just go back to sketch 2 and these are the dimensions given, so you can just delete each of them. So you can see I have removed all the dimensions and this geometry is what remains. So that's how you are going to model a compression bone plate in ANSYS Workbench using Design Modeler. With this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the design. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.